how to put a screw in with a Black+Decker cordless drill. Now, what I recommend is getting this bit holder here, and this will hold any size bit, and it's magnetic, so if you have different size screws what you're using, you'll be able to quickly swap out your screwdriver bit. I have a more in-depth video on adding a bit into your screwdriver if you're not sure how to do that. But what you want is to get a screwdriver bit what fits your actual screw, and you want to be a snug fit like that. Then you want to line up your screw to where you want to drill. Get your drill as straight as possible, then slowly start to drill. Once it bites into the wood, as you can see here, you can then add a little more pressure and drive. Now, I've had that on hammer, as you can see. It's always recommend to have it on drill mode here. As you can see, that has now drilled the screw deeper into the wood. And the reason that you want to use drill mode is because you get the most power out of your Black+Decker cordless drill. You get the full torque. If you don't want to drill it too deep, go into the clutch setting, and once it gets to a certain depth, so I always recommend starting low, and the clutch will kick in, and if you want to drive it a little bit deeper, up the clutch until you get it to the depth that you want. But as I say, I could drive that even deeper by going into the drill mode. You can see. So that's how easy it is to drill a screw with your Black+Decker cordless drill. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.